Oh yeah, there has been, yeah. But I mean, I think we've all been guilty about that. I mean, my first public comments on this in the beginning of the year were to rail against that, to give people the idea that we could wake up the day after this referendum and have had a no vote. And I want people to get the sense of how that's going to feel. How it would feel the day after a referendum if there was a no vote. How humiliating that would be as a message to send out to the rest of the world the year before we celebrate the 1916 Rising, a centenary, that we've just told the entire world that people in Ireland don't really believe in equality. And also what that message would give out to young LGBT people around the country who are young, who are scared, who are nervous, who want to come out to their parents and then have been told by Irish society, you know, something will tolerate you but you're not equal. That's going to be a pretty devastating thing to hear. So we have to motivate ourselves, unfortunately, with a little bit of fear. And I think that could be part of the motivation factor that will get this over the line. If we win it, we're going to win it by 51, 52%. We're not going to win it by 70%, and we have to be.
You really don't think that the current opinion polls?
Well, I hope they're true, but I don't believe they are, because what always happens is that these things narrow. We want to get Middle Ireland on board. We want Middle Ireland mammy and Middle Ireland daddy, who have children, to say, you know something, I've never been involved in this argument before. I've never been alive to the issue of gay rights or LGBT rights before, but now this seems to be a reasonable proposal. We have to ask people to look at their own humanity, to try and touch people's humanity, and to see if they're on board with this. And I think most fair-minded people will realise that this is a fair and decent proposal.
Yeah.